2005 GTI with 1.8 turbo manual transmission.
Okay, so tell me what's going on. We got an issue with the power windows. Is that right?
Yeah. What happened is I was just changing the light bulbs on the right rear tail light, but I didn't unplug it and putting it back in. I don't know if I shorted something, but when I got back in the car, the windows won't go up and down. The sunroof doesn't open, and the remote locks, with the key fob, quit working.
Okay.
Can't think of anything else.
I'm sorry, did you say you checked the fuses?
Well, I can't find the fuse for that.
Okay.
That's what the problem is. I've gone online to look at location. One of 3 fuses on the bottom of the relay panel under the dash.
Mm-hmm.
But I only have one fuse there. And it's actually a circuit breaker type fuse.
I'm still waiting for my diagrams to pull up. I apologize. But let me just read this real quick. Inspect fuses S5, S14, and S238, 5, 14, and 38 at the left end of dash.
Oh, that was the other thing. The interior lights didn't come on. So I just found that one. 14, it's dead. That was the other thing that did. So.
You mean 14 was blown?
What is 7? Yeah, that was the other thing that quit working were the interior lights.
Okay.
So when I pulled 13 for whatever reason, and then I saw 14 underneath it, pulled that. So let me pull 17, see if that one's bad. There isn't a 17. Okay, and the last one, 38?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I've got a blown fuse on the interior lights. Let me swap a fuse around so I can get them working.
Well, what I would recommend you do, I tell you what, I'll let you work on that, and I'll let you go, but I'll be honest with you, it sounds to me like you could have, at least, if not one blown fuse, if not multiple blown fuses.
Yeah. So, but they're all on the end of the door, on the end of the dash there. That was the thing, was trying to locate.
I gotcha. Okay. You know what? I think so. And here's the thing. I'll do some more digging for you. My diagrams are actually still loading, so I do apologize. But I'll let you work. Yeah, go through the rest of the fuses on the left end of the dash, and I'll do some more digging. And once I have some more information, I'll reach back out. How's that sound?
Yeah, and then what I'm doing is I brought my voltmeter out to test the fuses instead of just looking at them.
Perfect.
That's what I did the other day.
That sounds good.
All right. Talk to you later.
All right. Sounds good.